question on the table today is, what is inside Westboro Baptist Church? Thousands of words have been written or spoken in an effort to describe the membership of this church. Documentaries have been produced and television stories crafted, all addressing the question, who are those people making up the body of Westboro Baptist Church? Like everything else in life, you can get this question answered from the Bible. There, several word pictures exist describing the Lord's people. Today, let me share a few with you. While on the run from Saul, David gathered about 400 men, elect of God, who are presented this way in 1 Samuel chapter 22, verse 2. And I quote, "And everyone that was in distress, and everyone that was in debt, and everyone that was discontented, gathered themselves unto him," that is, unto David, "and he became a captain over them, and there were with him about 400 men." So there's a good word picture. Now the Apostle Paul profiles the Lord's brethren in 1 Corinthians chapter 1, verses 26 through 29, and this is how he does so. And I quote, "For ye see your calling, brethren, how that not many wise men after the flesh, not many mighty, not many noble, are called. But God hath chosen the foolish things of the world to confound the wise. And God hath chosen the weak things of the world to confound the things which are mighty. And base things of the world, and things which are despised, hath God chosen." Oh yes. "And things which are not, to bring to naught things that are, that no flesh should glory in his presence." Now there's another good word picture. To reiterate the highlights: foolish, weak, base, despised, and things which are not. Now how's that for a vivid verbal description of our members? And finally, Peter provides this, and I quote again, "But ye are a chosen generation, a royal priesthood, an holy nation, a peculiar people, that ye should show forth the praises of him who hath called you out of darkness into his marvelous light, which in time past were not a people, but are now the people of God, which had not obtained mercy, but now have obtained mercy." You find that at 1 Peter chapter 2, verses 9 and 10. So, my friends, the next time you seek insight concerning the makeup of Westboro Baptist Church, put away your articles, turn off your VCR or your television, and remember these simple Bible descriptions.
For more good Bible preaching, go to GodHatesFags.com. To find out why your nation is doomed, go to GodHatesTheWorld.com. For news, parodies, and documentaries about our doctrine, go to SignMovies.com. For news on the pedophile rape machine called Catholicism, go to PriestRapeBoys.com. For more on the pure heresy and idolatry called Islam, go to GodHatesIslam.com. To see the mask peeled off the fag juggernaut, go to GodHatesTheMedia.com. And for WBC blogs, go to blogs.sparenot.com.